Imagine waking up to a frozen pool, with costly damages that could have been avoided. Winterizing your pool is crucial, and we're here to guide you through it. If you're in Texas, complete winterization might not be necessary, but precautions are still essential. When temperatures drop below 32 degrees, keep your pool equipment running 24/7 to prevent ice buildup. Start by testing your pool water. You'll need a testing kit to measure alkalinity, pH levels, calcium, and chlorine. Shocking your pool is vital. It removes bacteria, algae, and other waste, ensuring your pool stays clean. Choose a shock that doesn't affect calcium hardness or pH levels, and let the water circulate for a few hours. Algaecide is your next step. It prevents algae from blooming during the winter months. Select an algaecide that targets the algae common in your area and won't stain your pool surfaces. Maintaining chlorine levels is crucial. Aim for 2.0 to 4.0 ppm to keep your pool sanitized. Add chlorine to the deep end while the pump is running for optimal distribution. Check your pool's alkalinity. It should be between 80 to 150 ppm. Use an alkalinity increaser if needed. Ensure your pool's pH level is between 7.2 and 7.6. Adjust with a pH increaser if necessary. Control calcium buildup with a pool flocculant. Aim for water hardness between 175 and 275 ppm. Use a phosphate controller to prevent phosphate buildup, which can lead to algae growth. In freezing areas, add non-toxic pool antifreeze to all pool lines and seal the skipper pipe. Consider a chemical kit that includes all necessary winterization chemicals and slow-release floaters. Before adding chemicals, scrub your pool walls with a pool brush to remove algae and bacteria. Use a pool skimmer to remove debris like leaves, bugs, and dirt from the water. A pool cover is essential. Ensure it fits your pool's dimensions to protect it throughout winter. Lower your pool's water level to about 18 inches below the tile line using an underwater pump. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Properly winterize your pool to avoid costly repairs and enjoy a hassle-free spring opening. Manning pool service, keeping your pool pristine all year round.